Hi, Doug again. Prepping the front of the main boom to weld onto the steer tube, but ran into a little bit of a problem, and that's that there's too much of a gap right here, so I'm going to have to pull out my file and file it down some more to reduce that gap. When welding, you want the gap to be as small as possible because the better the fitment, the stronger the join. And like the old saying goes, you can only weld metal, you can't weld air. But I also wanted to show my setup here. Of course, you can see the weld sticks up a little bit, so that makes it impossible to just lay this flat. So what I did was I used a couple pieces of scrap metal. Each of these are 1/8 of an inch thick. So when you put 1/8 of an inch thick metal under both sides on a flat piece of metal underneath, then you get the same distance. So that's how I could mate it up perfectly around the weld. And then in addition to that, I use this flat edge right here to line up the existing part of the boom with the part of the boom that I'm going to weld on, so that then everything is nice and straight. So all I got to do now is do some more filing, and then when I'm done filing it and I have a better fitment, then I'll get ready to weld it. So I'm guessing probably another 15 minutes to half an hour, depending on how well I do with my file.